Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 20th day of November 2025. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room by myself and others trading live. So here we go. The setup is pretty much the same as we do every day. We are trading the S&P 500 today because the volume and the velocity has been extremely high. So we'll drop down to the S&P 500 or drop up to the S&P 500, depending on how you want to look at it. And where it's a little bit slower. And here we go. We'll look at our old friend, the strong candle indicator. And this says take this green candle going long. So we're going to do just that. We put a cover order over the top. If it retraces, we'll take our cover order and put it down the body of the candle. And if it doesn't retrace, then we'll put our stop underneath the current candle and see how we do. I expect the next candle to be between 40 and 60 ticks long. So we're going to look at our ATM. We're going to use eight tick first targets, then we're going to de-risk the trade relatively quickly. Then we'll look for 16 ticks and then 32 tick runners. That's a pretty nice trade on ES. So here's how it went down in the room today. So we're going to get picked up without a retrace here. Okay, the stop is pretty much where it should be. First target's out, so we de-risk the trade completely. Now, if this comes back and takes us out at minus 6, we will have paid our fees and broken even on the trade. So we get another order ready, and we kind of hover it down here just in case this comes and takes us out, right? All right, so now 16 tick target's been hit. So we're 32 ticks into profit. Our stop is at minus 6. The worst we can do is come out 26 ticks ahead times $12.50 a tick, right? Now, if this comes back and takes us out, we have an opportunity to re-enter the trade. A lot of times trades will take off and then they'll come back, take you out, in profit, but you have a chance to re-enter the trade, and that's what we're looking for. Especially if we can get a re-entry off the body of the candle instead of over the top like that. So we're just going to let this run out on real time because this all happens relatively quickly. Okay, there's a re-entry. Now, if it goes short here, which it does, we can actually get in again, put our stop where it belongs, which is down here. Now it's got a bit of a retrace, come back, pick us up. So we made 26 ticks on the first time through. And now we're going to see what happens again. Again, when the first target gets taken out, we de-risk the trade completely. 8s and 16s are out again. There's our 32 tick target. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll take and move it to the next brick wall. But a 32 tick target on ES at $12.50 a tick is a pretty nice trade. And again, we're only halfway through this candle. Inching, there we go. Target's out. Very good. That trade took less than 3 minutes to complete, and both of them together is worth $1,137.50. All right. If you want to, it only took 3 minutes. So if you want to learn how to make $1,137 in less than 3 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. Now that took 2 entries to get that, so you divide it by 2, I guess, if you want to average it out. That's still, around $560, $570 per trade. Not a bad little thing. So come on and join us at samuraidaytrading.com where you can get the strong candle indicator, and I look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. So God bless, and we'll see you next time.